Hello friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of first restricted account on the application of Brave. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will click on Brave app and you will enter. Then this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account or can cause you errors in your app. Here you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Brave and then you can uninstall your app and you can uninstall it again. So please don't forget to support us.